Hello, what's up, everybody? So let's just start with a simple analysis. We have news Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We have 3 days. Now, I would like to trade between Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. For this 3 days, I would like to see some trades. Monday could do one or two things: consolidate or expand. I would like Monday to consolidate. So, typically, what I want to see, because one, we have July 3rd to September 3 or 4, that's the months that will be bearish, right? So if we go over to DXY, simply enough, we see that DXY is expanding lower. So the bias for DXY, or the draw for this monthly low for this August, for this month, is previous year's low, right? I'm expecting us to continue selling down here until September to take out this low, and then we go higher. Since we already made this placement through the 1 week fair value gap, so this would be like my fair value gap plus this BPR to get into fair value for more selling down here. So Wednesday or Thursday, since there's news on Thursday, let's watch this consolidation, low of the week, expansion, expansion back into the range. This could also go back into the range, and this could consolidate. So consolidation, expansion, another expansion, or it could get a choppy day since there's no news, but I'll look towards this day too to trade. So if we go back into our trading view, look over here, we see on the 4 hour that we've already tagged into the PDRA, right? We've already tagged into the PDRA. Give me 1 sec. So this outside liquidity, what I'm expecting is Monday we consolidate, then on Tuesday we take out these lows down here. Take out these lows down here. Or you know what Monday could also do? Monday could practically just do this. Am I still recording here? Consolidate, take out these highs, take out these lows, and then we just start going higher, because we'll take out what? These highs. We're taking out both the buy side liquidity and the sell side liquidity, because this should be considered an inside day, right? That could happen tomorrow. That could happen tomorrow too. So we have Monday to consolidate. I'll be watching Monday. I'm not gonna be trading Monday. I'm only trading on days where I expect an expansion day. If I'm not expecting an expansion day, then I don't trade. Monday, I'm not gonna be trading Monday, because this is inside. This is an inside day right here. But yeah. So back to what I was saying. Because since price we went expanded higher, we took out this buy side. Now we took out this sell side. So basically, the model that happens every single week, right? Took out this sell side. I remember this week happened. This exact day, right? Happened. Bro, what the hell? This exact week happened. Yeah, this is June. This is July. Where is that week? Oh, bingo. This week right here, May. 24th. It happened right there. If I could go back to my journal, I haven't been journaling because I've been busy. I'm trying to get back to my habits. Trying to grind during this. So around May 24, I remember I journaled that day. May. So this is the outlook. So let's see. Hold on, entire week outlook. Yeah, this is it right here. SMT, buy sell liquidity, new day, new week, tag PDRA imbalance, and daily order block expansion, retracement into where fair value gap, retracement, expansion. That was on a Tuesday. Retracement into the same fair value gap, and we made what an SMT expansion. And then we came up, we came low, and then we made an SMT right here. We went below weekly open. And then on Friday, this was the day, this was typically the week where I made like about 3 grand, 3K from this week alone, right? Expansion move, expansion move. So it's just like 2 days, right? Yeah, I won on this Friday, then I won on this Tuesday, then this I took a dumb CL trade, crude oil trade. I took a dumb crude oil trade, which was meant to be avoidable, but I learned from my mistake. So the 4 hour, right? Basically, what we want this 4 hour to do is simple, right? We want price to expand higher into while targeting this. All of this is just engineering liquidity. This week entirely was just engineering liquidity. Thursday or this third week of the month could engineer liquidity. For example, the third week of the month, right? If we go into July, right? Where did this week end? This week ended right here, right? Now this week, right? Monday, and we have this day right here. Look at this. We had this low down here, and what happened? Engineering liquidity, we went up, and what does price do? Price just took out this low. Engineering liquidity. We went higher, engineering buy side, and then we sold lower. Engineering liquidity. Third week of the month, eh? Let's see. Right. From this Monday, right? From this Monday, right here, right? What happens? And then from this Monday, right here, what happens? Price expands higher, price goes lower. And look at this. This week, right? This week right here, we'll deal with engineering liquidity on both buy side and both the sell side. Third week, what do? We took out sell side. Thursday, we also took out what? This sell side, this equal lows right there, because those are equal lows right there. 4 hour, we had perfect equal lows. Perfect equal lows tagged. What do? We went above 10 a.m. So we swept these lows down here, 2 a.m. and then we start expanding 10 a.m. Expand, expand, expand. Meaning, where is the low? This is previous week's low. Tagged on Monday. We went below. We hit our higher time frame PDRA. Now we're targeting with this high, which was hit in July. So we retraced to target this. So what happened during this week? Went lower, go higher, right? Lower, go higher. It's not always gonna be the same profile. It's going probably an AMD or a seek and destroy and then to a distribution, right? So this day was a seek and destroy. This day was basically a seek and destroy. This is just the profile. A seek and destroy for a distribution, right? it's not complicated. It's just like my way of thinking of how to form a, a trade, right? A trade plan. So back to the news. Monday, I expect Monday to consolidate. Tuesday, I expect Tuesday low of the week because these 3 days are the days where I expect things to happen. Okay. Of course, considering that it is the month, so what could happen is that we'll just continue consolidating and then we'll just on Wednesday we just go lower. I mean September we go lower and then we start targeting this high right here and then to make high of the week. That could happen too. That could happen. But right now, I'm just trying to frame scenarios because that's the gray area, right? There's always a gray area in trading, but we need to make that gray area more specific, right? So Monday, consolidate. Tuesday, expansion. I'm looking to trade Tuesday definitely. So if I go towards August, so expecting Monday to 20 and Tuesday. I don't need to know every single day, right? Alright. I don't need to know what every single day is doing, right? I just need to know my drawn liquidity. So if we go into the daily, let's start from the daily first from here. What is price doing? Recently, price has gone from where? Also, price could even just start expanding right here. Close above here and then go lower and then just go high. I'm just expecting this day to consolidate. We already have an SMT, so yeah, price could just continue ramping higher. But let me see, where's so let me so anyways, this is our breaker, right? Price actually tagged that breaker. Look how perfect that is. Look how perfect that is. To the T on the PRK. So this is our 1 day breaker. Price could go lower. I mean, price could go lower to go higher, right? 1 day breaker, or we could just see, So, as I was saying, engineering liquidity, engineering buy side, we go lower to go higher. So, Tuesday we expand. Since Wednesday to go back into the range, then Thursday to expand us into our levels. Then Friday, day to either CGIF or continue. Because there are two things Monday could do. We either one consolidate or two we expand. Right here, we could work consolidate, or two, we expand. Are we going to expand? I don't know. Is it likely for price to expand and I miss the move? Yes. Is it likely for price to consolidate? Yes. Why am I thinking that price to consolidate? Because it's a Monday. One, two. We need to make that fair value gap right there. Three. Tuesday has news, right? If we look, it's if we use ETH, this low right here is inside a ETH. So I'm targeting this sell side to get tagged, which is Friday's low. So that's what I'm typically thinking. But yeah, that is all I got right now. I'm just bullish. Bullish towards the day, towards this week. My weekly tactic is I'm going to be very defensive and I'm long. So far that's it. Well, that's all I have and see ya.